In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an oil pressure sensor on your Scion XB. This is going to be located on the front side of the motor. Let's get started. We're going to remove the connector for our oil pressure sensor. There is a tab on my forefinger. We have to push up on this and then pull the connector straight off. There's your push button. Push on that, pull straight back. Using a 24mm wrench or socket, we're going to loosen and remove the sensor. Now that I have that loose, we're going to take our new sensor. We're going to take a bit of thread sealant and we're going to put it on the threads. We're going to do this in one clean sweep. We're going to remove the old sensor and then get the new one ready to go right in and install it. Snug it down. We're going to torque this sensor to 11 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Make sure you don't try to bottom this sensor out. It has pipe thread on it, so it is going to get bigger as it goes in the hole, and you can crack this if you're not careful. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull and make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.